Introducing the Kolver K20 Torque Tester, a revolutionary tool that will redefine your torque measurement experience. With its exceptional accuracy and user-friendly features, the K20 Torque Tester is a must-have for quality control and assembly professionals. The K20 Torque Tester boasts high-performance circuitry that collects, stores, and downloads torque measurements with utmost precision. This advanced technology enables comprehensive analysis of tools and joints, ensuring that your operations run smoothly and efficiently. One of the standout features of the K20 Torque Tester is its dual transducer capability. It comes equipped with a built-in transducer and the unique ability to connect to an external transducer, providing unmatched versatility for various measurement requirements. Whether you're working with small or large components, the K20 Torque Tester has you covered. The tester also offers multiple measurement units, including Newton meters, inch pounds, and kilogram centimeters, allowing for convenient adaptation to different industry standards. This flexibility ensures that you can seamlessly integrate the K20 Torque Tester into your existing operations without any hassle. The K20 Torque Tester is designed to handle both clockwise and counterclockwise measurements, making it an ideal tool for diverse tightening and loosening applications. Its wide measurement range of 4.4 to 177 inch-pounds and a drive size of 1/4 inch make it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Built with durability in mind, the K20 Torque Tester features 125% transducer overload protection, ensuring reliable and safe operation even under demanding conditions. You can rest assured that this tool will withstand the rigors of your daily operations, providing you with accurate and consistent measurements time and time again. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Kolver K20 Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatile features, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly professionals. Invest in the K20 Torque Tester today and experience the difference it can make in your operations.